Hi guys, thanks for tuning back into the channel. Hope you're all well. I've just got back from a family holiday in Malta. Went to see some of the relatives and do some of the touristy stuff. I was also lucky enough to get out and do some fishing most mornings, which was lovely.
We were out at the Olive Garden for dinner, which was lovely.
Got a whole load of footage which I'm going to put together now in a little compilation for you. It was 42 degrees most of the time we was there. It was very hot, too hot for the kids and a little too hot for this GoPro as well. The thing kept shutting down due to overheating, so I had to keep it switched off most of the time until I had to buy it and switch it back on. So unfortunately I've only got 1 or 2 of the takes on camera, but it's just the way it had to be. The shirt I bought from the airport. Yeah, that just gives you an idea of what fishing's like from the shore in Malta, sort of late July time. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Try one of these hard baits. Here we go. Here's an interesting one. Oh, he's a spiny looking guy. Not sure what it is. Beautiful fish though. That's my first Maltese fish. Bit of a foul hooked fish, that doesn't count. My second one of these little guys. Beautiful thing. Again, sort of foul hooked a little bit. Let's get him off the hook. Off he goes. Third fish. Something a bit different. Hey, calm down. I'll put you back. Gorgeous thing. There we go. Just need a good shake. Okay, after a quick stop at the local tackle shop, I've picked up a few more of these hard baits, treble hooks. I think these are mostly Savage Gear ones, but yeah, I found this is what you need. There's a lot of things with teeth down there. Especially the painted comb. There we go again. Another one. There you really went for that one. Oh, they've got some teeth in there. Let's get you off the hook, mate. There he goes. Back under his rock. I found with those painted combers you have to keep the drag on quite tight. As soon as they grab the bait, they're straight back under their rock again. Oh, there's another one. Okay, I've just tied on one of these duo spearheads that I bought from that shop, and that's been getting a lot of attention. Just no bites yet. We'll carry on. I think that's number, can't remember now. Ooh, easy. 4 or 5. There he goes. Another one. Oh, yeah. Lots of fun, but let's do something else. There he goes. Hey, put him right in the mouth this time. He actually went for it. Look at that. Get a picture of you, I think. Time to go. Finally something different. I didn't think it was going to happen. Wow, what is this thing? Similar to a painted comber. He's clamped onto it and all. That's coming out. Looks very similar. It's a different colour. There we go. I think this is what I've been after. I don't know what it is. Some sort of, I don't know. I'll do a bit of research afterwards. I'm starting to think there weren't anything else in there but painted combers. Alright, geez, I'll get you. Gorgeous though. Powerful fish. It did feel a lot bigger though. Still after a big fish. Yep.
Hey-ho.
Okay, unfortunately that was the end of the trip. Got a couple of different species of fish there for you. I mean, there are so many different species there in Malta to catch. Fortunately, I was only getting maybe 2 or 3 hours most mornings before the kids and the wife woke up, so I had to make do with what I could. Don't know what else to say. Also, if you enjoyed this video, guys, please feel free to like and subscribe. I've got a lot more fishing trips lined up, so I have a lot more content coming. Yeah, take it easy.